from database predicted normalized temperature and humidity in room. The artificial network is a mathematical model that tries to simulate the structure and function. Three basic elements of the neural models consist of weight sums and activation function. This is a figure in neural model. Let's put it now 1 xn, a row of WK1, WK2, WKM is a synaptic weeks, and some in sigma bias bekas summing junction of arrow of PK activation functions and output. Uh, UK equal M sigma J equal 1 WKJ multiple XJ JK equal theta multiple bracket UK plus BK, where X1, X2, XM are the input signal. WK1, WK2, WKM are the synaptic weights of neurons key. UK is the linear combiner output. BK is the bias, theta is the activation function, and YK is the output signal. The patterns of connection between the neurons can generally its connection is defined by a synaptic weight WKJ and the propagation of data which determine the linear combined output UK in can make this Bedford networks connection extending from outputs of neuron K to inputs of neurons K in the same layer or previous layers. Recurrence networks, the network will evolve to a stable state in which these activations do not change. A neural network has to be configured that the application of a set of inputs produce the desired set of outputs. Various methods to set the strength of the connections to source. These are supervised learning. These input and output pairs can be provided by an external teacher or by the system which contains the network. Unsupervised, unsupervised learning, the system is supposed to discover specific salient features of the database input population. Generally, some sorts of activation function is used, a hard-limiting activation function, a semi-linear function, a sigmoid activation function. Methodology. In this method, use a single layer with forward network. Single layer with forward networks having only one layer of variable weights and one layer of output neurons key. This is figure neural model from Arduino Uno IT Mega 32HP plus ESP8266. Result and discussion. In figure 2, the formula for N1 until N16 is N1 until N3 is like this, N4 until NH like this, N9 yeah like this, N14 and 16 is activation functions that are used hardly the signal activation function 11 like figure figure 3, the signal expression functions in the HT11. If data equal 1, we can equal 1 or BK x1 and x2 equal 1. Then and equal 111 equal 255 and equal 1111 equal 255. In if temperature humidity is too high, then use jika as alarm or alert. Jika equal 1. This is programming, and this is do you know Uno as this the programming, and this is the programming PHP. Yes, like this programming in a PHP. This is a display in websites like this data from sensor DHT11. Yeah, like this. This is to prove a connection. Its connection is fast is connecting like uh, in this address, and a file. This is read file pembacaan gagal. Conclusion: neural network may be thought of as simplified models of the network of neurons that occur naturally in the brain. From the biological viewpoint, that the essential requirement for a neural network is that it should be it should attempt to capture what are the essential information processing features of the corresponding real network. Neural network offer an alternative form of parallel computing that might be more appropriate for solving the task in hand. Neural networks are widely spread in applications. Although modern software enable easy handling with neural network that their creation, optimization, and usage in a real-life situation, it is necessary to understand theory that stands behind them. Thank you.